I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device supports theft alert, only way, and that firmware is current. Next, make sure battery is above 20% and GPS plus mobile data are active. These are required for tracking. Install the official app, sign in with a secure password, and enable push notifications so alerts arrive instantly. Once done, open the Theft Alert section and follow the on-screen pairing steps to register this device as the protected unit. Now configure detection and response. You select sensitivity, low reduces false alarms, high catches subtle movement. Then choose actions. Remotely lock, trigger loud alarm, take a photo, or automatically share location with contacts. Make sure to add trusted zones where alerts are suppressed, like home or office, and enter emergency contacts with phone and email for immediate notifications. Once configured, test a simulated trigger so you confirm responses occur and fine-tune sensitivity to balance detection versus nuisance alerts. Finish by running a full live test. Trigger the theft alert and verify you can remotely lock the device, receive notifications, and view the location. If an alert doesn't arrive, immediately check app permissions, background app refresh, and that mobile data or Wi-Fi is allowed. Also confirm the device clock and GPS are accurate. Finally, enable automatic firmware and app updates and backup your settings. If problems persist, restart the device and repair. That fixes most persistent connection or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.